Poultry farming made easy with complete automated battery cage system for your birds, which help you to collect your egg automatically, feed the birds automatically, remove the poultry dungs automatically, supply water for your birds automatically. All you need to do is just to walk over to the egg collection center to collect your or pick your eggs. Very easy as ABC. You need this type of poultry farm for your farm setup. Worry no more. Chris Farms and Extension Services gets you covered. All you need to do is to call us on our number +23480 36 92 57 18. I promise you'll be glad you did. Reach out to us today. We are 24 hours online. Thank you.